Another video of this 81 Yamaha 650 special, XS650 special, which I just acquired. And just for insurance purposes, I guess, I'm doing a video of it to prove the condition. Because if you ever have an insurance claim, ICBC wants to have evidence that the bike is worth more than scrap prices. So this is what we're doing. And I'll probably post this on YouTube as well. And we'll see how it turns out. So just continuing with the video of the motorcycle running, and a little bit of a vibration coming off of this. There, get rid of that vibration. So it's a pretty nice bike. Well, that's not exactly a top quality video, but it'll have to do. Oh yeah, I just want to make sure that we get the date on this. It's December the 26th, 2021, and this is in Peachland, British Columbia.